decided to embark on a retirement tour and decided not to show up, I understand. This is not about you. This is about me. You will not main event WrestleMania. Not over my dead body. Oh yes, I will. Oh no, you don't stand a chance, sir. If it ain't me, it damn sure ain't gonna be you. I can promise you that.
So Seth, I beat you last year for the world title WrestleMania, and you, it's been 6 months now, you're due an injury. I owe you one in tomorrow Elimination Chamber. I'm kicking your ass out.
I have kicked your ass for duty, for profit. Tomorrow I do it for fun.
I don't even know why you're talking right now. Everybody knows when the chamber's over, all you're going to be doing is complaining on the internet.
Understand? It's over for you, punk. All those chants, they're going to die tomorrow with your WrestleMania dreams.
Y'all thought that was John Cena.
Face in Canada, John Cena doesn't care about you.
You're nothing.
But you can see me.
Fellas, look around, look at all of us full-timers out here putting in the work. John Cena can't even show up. Classic celebrity wrestler. Y'all don't mean that.
Tommy?
We're seeing Punk